Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you're doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed about classifications of organic compounds based on carbon-carbon bonds present. So, today we are going to study another very important and interesting topic, which is diversity and magnitude of organic compounds. So let's understand them in detail step by step. Introduction. Dear student, organic compounds are primarily made of carbon and hydrogen atoms. But we also see oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens, and other elements in organic compounds. The unique properties of carbon allow it to form a huge variety of compounds. Reason for diversity of organic compounds means that why organic compounds are diverse. First one reason is tetravalency of carbon. Carbon can form four covalent bonds with other atoms. This allows formation of chains, branch chains, and rings. Second reason is catenation. Carbon atoms can bond with other carbon atoms to form long chains and complex structures. Examples: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8. The third reason is isomerism, same molecular formula but different structural arrangement. Example: C4H10, butane straight chain, and isobutane as branched chain. The fourth reason is formation of multiple bonds. Carbon can form single, double, and triple bonds. Examples: ethane C2H6 single bond, ethene C2H4 double bond, ethine C2H2 triple bonds. And fifth reason is combination with different elements. Carbon can combine with oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogens, etc. Example: alcohols C single bond O single bond H, amines C single bond N single bond H, halides C single bond Cl, and C single bond Br. Magnitude of organic compounds. The number of organic compounds is extremely large. Over 10 million organic compounds are known today. New organic compounds are being synthesized in laboratories daily. This diversity arises from catenation, multiple bonding, isomerism, substitution of functional groups. Examples to understand diversity. First one, alcohols: methanol C3OH, ethanol C2H5OH, propanols C3H7OH. Second one is carboxylic acids: formic acid HCOH, acetic acid C3COOH, propanoic acid C2H5COOH. Third one, halogen compounds: C3Cl methyl chloride, C2H5Cl ethyl chloride. Key points to remember. Dear student, the first one is carbon's tetravalency and catenation give rise to a huge variety of compounds. Second one, isomerism increases the number of possible compounds. Third one, multiple bonds, double, triple, further enhance diversity. Fourth one, organic compounds can combine with many other elements. Fifth one, the number of organic compounds is enormous and still growing. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on diversity and magnitude of organic compounds. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.